Hi, I'm Adhyashri from Crown Technologies and Solutions Private Limited. We specialize in manufacturing Crown Touch IFPDs and have been providing interactive classroom solutions for 15 years. Our special offerings include IFPD, digital content, teachers training, and maintenance support. Crown Touch IFPD revolutionized classroom learning with its exceptional touch sensitivity and vibrant display. Our comprehensive solutions empowers the educator and engages the student. Crown Touch IFPDs are available in varieties of the sizes, providing the flexibility to meet the unique requirement of every classroom. Whether you need a compact display or a large interactive panel, we have you covered. Our Crown Touch IFPDs features a robust body and aesthetically beautiful display. The display is protected by H8 toughened glass, which offers the anti-glare, anti-fingerprint and antibacterial properties. We believe in both durability and visual experience, which enhance the user interaction smoothly. Our IFPDs boast a stunning 4K display resolution, delivering the exceptional image clarity and details. The high brightness ensures the vivid visuals even in the well-lit environment, while our eye care protection mode minimizes the eye strain, prioritizing the well-being of both students and teachers. Our IFPDs are equipped with high-quality built-in speakers, which delivers an exceptional audio output, which makes the sound clear and immersive during the multimedia presentation and video playback. Our panels features multi-touch functionality, which allows multiple users to interact simultaneously. This enables collaborative learning activities and encourages student participation, fostering a dynamic and an interactive classroom environment. Crown Touch IFPDs comes with the built-in high-quality connecting features such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Along with that, it has the latest connectivity ports, like the features include the mic, Type-C, USB 3.0 port and HDMI port, which helps in seamless integration among the various devices with the smooth content sharing and collaboration. This panel serves three main purposes, making them a valuable addition to any classroom. Firstly, our IFPDs run on Android, which provides teacher with a wide ability to install any educational program from KG to PG level. The flexible Android program ensures and opens up the world full of educational possibilities. Secondly, our IFPDs can be used as the Windows-based smart classroom solutions. They are designed in such a way that they are user-friendly and can be used effectively by all the teachers and the students as well. This makes the transition smooth between the Windows and the Android software, and this is a very helpful feature for those who are new to the interactive technology. Lastly, they serve as an effective replacement for traditional chalkboards. Our advanced writing board software comes with the various teaching tools enhancing the classroom instructions. Teachers can utilize these tools to create the dynamic lessons, annotate content and encourage the student participation.